Hot. Coming up, rougher in the cash game. Activate your hips and push your ass out. Gotta put the roll in so bad I'm about to pass out. Wanna dig you, and I can't even lie about it, baby. Just alleviate your clothes, I'm the fly about it. Catch you at the club, your hips have got me feeling. Body talking to me, but I can't comprehend the meaning. Now if you wanna roll with me, then there's some chance for you lady on the freeway. Catch me if you can, but give me in my ride. Still I'm just a simple man, all I want is money plus the fame. I'm a simple man, Mr. International, player with a passport. Just like a Latin switch, get you anything you ask for. Either him or me, the champagne, Hennessy, flavor than my homies when we floss on our enemies. Witnesses we creep to a low speed, beat what my foes need. Make some emojis for me, you don't need. Approaching women with a passion, been a long day, but I've been driven by attraction in a strong way. Your body is banging, baby, I love the way you're flowing. Time to give it to daddy, sugar, and tell me how you want it. Tell me, baby, is it cool to touch? Tell a man that you can trust, not just a fool and lust. Coming to get you on the bus, it's so ironic. It's out on the verge of a product. I'm hitting switches on misses like I've been fixing. I drive my up and down like a roller coaster. Gonna come inside you, I ain't stopping till the show is over. Cause I'm a product in and out just like a robbery. I'll probably be a freak and let you get on top of me. So I can use nights full of Alizé. A living legend, you ain't heard about the players living Cali days. The Lord's Chucky, you were fake to me. Instead of trying to help a brother, wanna take a tease. Mistaking me for Bill Clinton, Mr. Bob Dole. You're too old to understand the way the game's go. You're lame, so I gotta hit you with the hot tracks. Once I'm Lisa making millions trying to top that. They wanna sex me, they'd rather see me in my cell. It's different hell on me, a few of us a little tail. Now everybody talking about us, I ain't giving up with everyone that taught us all to cut. Come on, tell me how you want it. How you want it? I was raised as a youth, till you forgot the scoop on how to get it bulletproof. Sex busting off the roof when I was a teenager. Mobile phone, sky pager, game rules, I'm living major. My adversaries is getting blurry, they paranoid, getting blurry. One of us gon' see the cemetery. They wonder if my lifestyle changed, and am I through with all the pain? Surviving in this game, it's still the same. I need you to meet me at the strip club, bring a thong. Look how they shaking for that cash, once again it's on. I had no sympathy for those afraid of mystery. Come get with me, I promise passion and ecstasy. I'm alone, can I come over there tonight? Depend on me to one to handle it and get it right. Your body is banging, baby, I love the way you're flowing. Time to give it to daddy, sugar, and tell me how you want it. Yeah, come on. Come on. Tell daddy how you want it.
In a life that got it, oh so dark, oh so dark. A life that falls apart, falls apart. My heart been torn apart, I've been torn apart. I'm a fucking loner and I stayed away for life. I probably never change, even though I like to. Even though I like to, I probably never change for nothing, my dear. All my insecurities holding me near. Probably never change for nothing, my dear. All my insecurities holding me near. But I've been working oh so hard to find some meaning in this life. To find some meaning in this life. In a life that got it oh so dark, oh so dark. A life that falls apart, falls apart. My heart been torn apart, torn apart. I've been bleeding on the inside, I'm torn apart. Can I get a chance to go back to the start? Yeah, press rewind. Get a chance to find the right answers. I mean, I don't